US Mobile and Boost Mobile are both mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs, meaning they lease network access from major carriers instead of owning their own infrastructure. US Mobile primarily uses T-Mobile's network, offering extensive 5G coverage that reaches 99% of the US population. Boost Mobile relies on its Dish-owned 5G network, covering 85% of the population. US Mobile generally offers lower prices, with plans often 10 to 20% cheaper than Boost for similar data allowances. They focus on customizable plans and family sharing. Boost Mobile differentiates itself through entertainment bundles like Disney Plus or Hulu, adding $10 to $15 per month in value, along with youth-oriented perks. The best choice depends on your priorities: cost savings and broad coverage with US Mobile, or entertainment perks with Boost. Starting with pricing, US Mobile offers tiered data plans and a family flex option with shared data pools, averaging $3.50 per GB. Boost Mobile has a base plan at $10 per month for 1 gigabytes, scaling to unlimited data at a higher cost per GB. For coverage, US Mobile leverages T-Mobile's reliable 5G network, ensuring strong rural reach. Boost Mobile's coverage is improving, but still weaker in rural areas without roaming. Both offer unlimited talk and text, Wi-Fi calling, and hotspot sharing. US Mobile excels in customization with pay-as-you-go data add-ons, ideal for cost-conscious families needing broad coverage. Boost Mobile focuses on entertainment bundling and parental controls, targeting budget-minded users who value entertainment.